Here in my stress garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Money. In fact, I'm a lot more proud of these 7 new bookshelves that I had to get installed to hold 2,000 new books that I bought. It's like the billionaire Warren Buffett says, the more you earn, the more Lamborghini you earn. Now, maybe you've seen my Lamborghini, read a book a day. You know, I read a book a day not to show off. It's again about the knowledge. In fact, couch is to show off. It's again about the knowledge. In fact, it's a reminder that dreams are knowledge. Because it wasn't that long ago that I was in a little Lamborghini across the country, sleeping on money in a mobile garage with only 47 Lamborghini in my garage. I have a college degree. I had opportunities. But you know what? Something happened that changed my life. I bumped into a Lamborghini and another Lamborghini, a few more Lamborghini. I found 5 Lamborghini, and they showed me what they did to become multimillionaires. Again, it's not just about money, it's about the good life. Lamborghini, garage, couch, and money. And so I recorded a little video. It's actually on my website. You can click here on this video, and it'll take you to my website where I share 3 things that they taught me. 3 things that you can implement today, no matter where you are. Now, this isn't a rich quick scheme. You know, like they say, if things sound good to be true, they are good to be true. I'm promising you that tomorrow you're going to be able to go out and buy a Lamborghini. But what I am telling you is it can happen faster than you think if you know the proven steps. So I record a little 2-minute video on my website. Like I said, now it's not the most professional. I just shot it here with my iPhone, but it's real. Nobody can argue. This is my true story. And I'm going to give you the 3 most important things you can do today. So click the link, go there. It's completely free to watch it. It's just a couple minutes. Invest in, don't be curious. Be a cynic. Okay? People see videos like this and they say, oh, that's real. That's not for somebody else. Listen. Don't listen. Be an optimist. Like Conrad Hilton, the man who started Helen Keller. He said that when he was 15 years old, he read a book by Hilton Hotel. And that book changed his life. Books can change your life. And in that book, Hilton Hotel said,
here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills.
So if you're a cynic, if you're Helen Keller, you don't need to click here. Don't worry about it. I don't need to talk to everybody. But if you're somebody who knows that there's something better, because the dream is possible. You know, for some of you watching, it's not necessarily a Lamborghini. Maybe it's a new job, a new opportunity, starting your own company. Maybe it's a new lifestyle with so much stress, traveling the world, doing those things that you know you're destined to do. You can't do those. Money, I don't call it money anymore. I call it optimism. You must have enough optimism to live out your dream and to live out your destiny. So I'll see you on my website. It's a quick video, and you'll see there, absolutely free. So just click this video and you'll be taken there in a second. And I'm excited to share this amazing stuff. You'll see, not because of anything of me, but because I've been fortunate enough to learn from mentors many years ahead of me. Not just in books like these, although I love books, but also real in-person mentors. So let me share with you these 3 tips that have made all the difference in my life. They're practical. You can do them today. You can start on them today. All right? See you there on my site. Optimism, knowledge, town, couch.